Hello, welcome to the gyaldem kitchen. We're gonna make some apple pie right now. Let's go. We're gonna heat oven to 450. We're gonna cut 2 Honeycrisp apple, cut up 1 Smith apple, and 1 Granny Smith apple. Let's go. I don't like use peeler now, but I use the peeler today. Dangerous. Scary. We're gonna slice them, dice them, because guess what? A mini apple pie we make. All right, we're all chopped now. Right now, we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 of light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of tapioca starch. Some just add some allspice, which is better known as pimento, right in our things. Oh no, so I have to taste it, right? Balakayas. Pimento? We're gonna melt some butter in our pan. You're gonna mix a little water and some tapioca starch. Now, this done now, you know. So, we're gonna make that sit and may I head to the crust. So, I'm gonna just grab a pre-made pie crust. Watch this. So, may I do it right now with mini tart file pan. All right, we're all ready. So, I'm gonna just spoon in some apple. So, you're gonna make sure you put your pie crust on the top, and then you're gonna make 1 X or 1 cross on the top. Before you slap it in the oven, you're gonna make sure you beat 1 egg. You're gonna brush on the egg wash on the top. Slap that in the oven 13 minutes. You see here? You wouldn't believe what just happened. Look. All of the lid them want lift off. So we're gonna make a part 2 after this because this don't make no sense. We're gonna make this over, but for the first time, this look good, man. Wanna know say pie tastes better with some ice cream? Man, a grape nut ice cream. I'm gonna put it with for the first time. So I'm open enjoy this. Love you later. Bye.